Right, how you doing?
Aye, not bad.
Is this the car, yeah?
Yeah.
Tyres are looking a bit worse for wear, but I can deal with that. Right, so let's see what's going on in here. Has there been any problems or that with it?
No, it's been fine with me.
So I don't really know anything about cars, but you wouldn't mind if I plugged in my car diagnostic scanner?
No, that's fine. So what does that do?
So that just plugs into your OBD port there. And it just connects to this free app on your phone and it gives you a full vehicle health check, engine inspection and so much more. The most important one, we'll do the engine inspection first. So your engine inspection's actually come back completely fine, so that's good news. So I just want to do a quick vehicle health check, make sure everything else is working. So this has actually picked up 4 faults with your engine control and your brakes. Let's see what these are. They're not too serious, but yeah, I think I might just leave it. Yeah, it's a nice car, but with all that going on, I think I'm just going to leave it. But thank you for your time anyway.